My name is Kemafrikfashion. I'll be teaching you a quick and easy way to make your bias tape. Bias tapes are often used to finish up raw edges of garments, such as the hem, the neckline, the armholes. They are also used as decoration on outfits. These tapes often come in plain colors, but there is nothing stopping you from using any print you choose to use to create yours once there is a need for it. Hence this tutorial. You'll be needing a bias tape maker set. This set comes in different sizes and you just need one of it to create your tape, depending on the size, the width of the tape you're aiming for. This particular one creates a 1/4 of an inch long wide tape, and you need about 1/2 an inch of fabric. But the one we'll be making right now, we need 1 inch width of print, because we are aiming to create a 1/2 inch tape with 1/4 inch folds on each side, so that makes it a total of 1 inch width of fabric. So we'll be creating something similar to this black one I'm holding right here, but we'll be making use of this print. The first thing we'll be doing is to cut out long strip of our print on bias. That means we'll cut our strip at 45 degrees on bias. You can make your strips as long as you want it, and depending on the quantity of fabric you have. You can also make even longer strips by joining the edges of each strip together. So because I want to show you how to make long tapes, I've cut 2 short strips and I'll be joining them together. This is how I'll be joining the 2 edges of my strip together. Once I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and give it a good press with my seam allowance opened, so that we can have a neat finishing on the other side, on the right side of my tape. Next, we'll be working with the bias maker. Here is mine. I'll just push my fabric through the wide side of the tape maker, pull it in gently, and you can use any sharp object to help push it further in. Now I'll be making use of an awl to push mine through the under and the top of the bias tape maker. So once I have a tiny bit of fabric on the smaller end of the tape maker, I will just pull it out, and there we have our tape. So the next thing we'll be doing is to give this a good press, preferably with a steam iron, so that you can have neat folds. And this is what our bias tape looks like. Here we have a 1/2 inch wide bias tape, which is folded by 1/4 inch on both sides. So it's a replica of this already made tape, and the good thing is I get to make this tape in whatever fabric I want to work with and create decorative stitches and neat finishing. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more DIYs, pattern drafting and sewing tutorial. Bye, and see you in the next one.